fourth graders. I am sharing with you today how to write a poem using the different structural elements that Miss Height taught you about. The first thing that I want to share is the success criteria. So I can write a poem using line break, stanza, and repetition and or rhyme scheme. The task is to use at least 2 of the structural elements above in your poem. So I'm sharing first my teacher example, and that is right here. I used line break, stanza, and repetition in my poem. So first I started with a theme or a topic that I thought was close to home right now because I'm stuck at home. So I repeated stuck at home and I'm cleaning my house. Stuck at home and I ate way too much. Stuck at home and I painted my chairs. Stuck at home and I got a lot done. Stuck at home, so I decorated my room. Stuck at home, so I chatted my friends. And stuck at home, so I called my mom. Stuck at home, and I'm doing just fine. So then I went back and I showed where did I put those 3 things that I wrote in my poem. So I showed right here. When I go to the next line, it's called the line break. So right here when I showed those line breaks in my poem that I wrote. The next thing I wrote is I repeated stuck at home to show importance. So that repetition piece. I repeated stuck at home in each of the beginnings of my paragraphs. The last thing that I wanted to share is that I did make a stanza too, because a stanza is a new paragraph or a group of lines. So I've got 2 paragraphs or 2 stanzas within my poem. All right, and the next thing I want to do is we're going to try to do a rhyme scheme together. So I'm going to watch this video with you, and then after we watch that video, or at least the end of this video, we're going to do a poem about rhyme scheme, using rhyme scheme together. Hi, everyone. Okay, so when I watched that video, what I saw is that a rhyme scheme is based on the end of the sentence. So if I'm going to write a new poem using rhyme scheme, I'm going to make it a different color so you guys can see it. Let's see, make the text a little bit bigger. So I'm going to start my poem with another topic that is close to my heart, and that is flowers. And I can't plant them right now because I haven't been able to go get any, but I'm going to talk about them. So I'm going to think of the rhyme scheme. I think I'm going to do A, B, A, B. So every other line is going to rhyme with each other. And let's see. Flowers are so colorful. That's going to be interesting. Try to find a word that rhymes with that. They shine so. No, I don't think that. See, this is what it takes. It takes thinking about it. So let's think. They are bright in the sun. Sure. Colorful. What rhymes with colorful? Beautiful. Ooh, got it. Flowers are incredibly beautiful. Now I have to think of something that rhymes with sun. Ton. Ooh, ton. Can I say that? They bloom in the fields in tons. Flowers are so colorful. They are bright in the sun. Flowers are incredibly beautiful. They bloom in the fields in tons. Close enough. So this is A. This line would be B. This line would be A. And the last one is B. So my two B lines rhyme with each other. And my two A lines rhyme with each other. The end word does. So if you look here, this word, let's see, how can I get this? I'm going to show you guys. Let's see, that'd be good. Rhymes with this word. And this word rhymes with this word. Do they rhyme perfectly? No, but as long as they're close, I think that you've got your point across. This is how I can do a poem with rhyme scheme. What you're going to do now is you're going to use this task up here. You're going to use at least two of the structural elements above in your poem. So either line break, stanza, repetition, or rhyme scheme. You could use all of them if you want to. I mean, I probably did that some up here. Room and mom rhyme. It's not all like that, but there's a rhyme scheme whether it rhymes perfectly or not. I would challenge you, if you want to challenge, use all four of them. If you want it to be just a little bit more, if you're struggling, use just two of them. That's what your task is. Remember that after you watch this video, you're going to go on Google Classroom, the same place that you found this video. You're going to click on the document that's below. When you click on the document, it'll force you to make a copy. So you push make a copy, and then you're on the document. The document looks like this. Let's see. And it has your success criteria, and it says, I can write a poem using line break, stanza, and repetition and or rhyme schemes. And then it also tells you your task. Use at least two of the structural elements above in your poem that you write down below. So fourth graders, I think that you can do this. I think that it's very capable. I want you to make sure you're turning in your assignment. So after you do this document, you need to push turn in. It's a blue button and it says turn in. Turn in the assignment. That way your teachers can give you feedback on this, because I think some of you are doing the work and just not turning it in, and we really want to give you feedback. So please turn it in. All right. Bye, fourth graders. I miss you. I wish I could give you hugs. I hope everything at home is going really well. And if you need my help, please just let me know. Bye-bye.